Sanibonani South Africa mahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu, your host Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski ringers. Hey, yeah. Namhlanje Bafana we played a draw against Czechia 1-1, conceding go critical phase of the game, which is something yenza ukuthi igame nje isuka nje sibe on the back foot, but bafethu before ngizongena deep sizohlafuna indaba niyaza ngivaye ngi1 ngivane isikhokho sami isikhokhelayo o sense of knowledge Sibusiso Mahlangu ntwana. I think for mina the performance was better, the structure was better, and you could see amajita ukuthi they were much more free kule game yaFandag, and nokuthi bebangagcwalanga kakhulu emidleleni, they could now use the ball better and also use those spaces better. Uyibone kanjani wena ntwana? Although laba man labo malankani laba man bekumele sibashayile laba labantu bade laba mfethu no ntwana laba bekumele sibashayile awuthami yazini, and manje yangikwatisa ngoba manje ingibuyisela kule game yokucala ukuthi uko bros kahle bengaphethwe yini ngeMexico guys.
Ungayimoshi ima asiqale kahle uqale kahle ntwana. Let's continue from there. First positive thing ntwana mina, the lineup. Every South African I think was happy with the lineup because they positive. It was telling us ukuthi yazini sifuna ukudlala sifuna ukatheka.
Yeah,
from the lineup I was already positive in my mind ukuthi yazini namhlanje we're going to play our football, and I can say I'm really proud to be a South African today, even though I can say obviously there's room for improvement. We could have done better, we could have won this game. Because they did not pose any threat to us, these guys, except for a massive piece, the throw-ins. Those were the only threats. But other than that, there was nothing from this team. We could have beaten them. There's room for improvement, but I am very proud of the performance of the guys. They showed the attitude was right. Everything done at Vandag was spot on.
Yeah, and you're so right, Mdladla, because we were all worried because it's Salamachita Vele aeroplane football. You understand? And we have to give credit also to our defenders, Okom and Umbogazi. They've dealt with these guys well. Yes, the tools are very obvious. I mean, they are big, very. But kuzoba threat, very. We throw in or we corner kick or we free kick. But before Singenda, I think we have to give our defenders that credit. They did well, and after conceding early, they didn't look down. They look up,
they continue
to play, and I mean first half and second half, even ball position, see dominated. We were playing a football too. As much as amanyama details amancane asashaya. You understand in terms of maupasa, weight of the pass. You know, sometimes we take extra touch in
protecting the ball.
Protecting the ball. Sometimes we taking extra touch. You need to release that ball quicker. Final ball in the last third. Those are the things Egmelis improve moving forward. But we have to say well done to Amachita in terms of Ashjableli throw, but Amachita spanning based on performance here first game. So that's why it's well done. And in midfield, I think now Amachita ba complementing each other very well. Umbata no Mkwena no Adams first half no mangile ngaba ne stress nje salama yellow card lawo ebawatholile first half especially, and it was very risky because mina firstly Umbatha especially yakambatha ngifuna ukenfasize zona amachita wethu they need to learn at that level. World Cup, you can't go there ungasi captain yo Russell Urevi and the Urevi uchachile because le look at yakambatha uyitholi so khuluma ukuba nomlomo. So but he will learn usasemncane naye. They need to learn these things because inga cost the team uthola ukuthi immediately makaqeda ukuthola lelo nto ushayithekile enye mhlambe agcina thola red card. So we need to learn those things ezinjengalezo in that stage.
I mean, Joe, if you look at the previous games, we Bafana and all the African teams, it's like we are being targeted.
Yeah.
We're getting red card, yellow cards unnecessarily. So red cards and yellow cards that they would never give to these European countries.
They don't give even.
So we need to, like you're saying, we need to be very careful on when we defend the tackles. The talking is even worse.
Yeah, the talking.
You can't get a yellow card for talking.
Yeah.
But manje sibuyele gaming intwana sesibeka tactical intwana how we lined up with Mudau, Okon, Mbogazi and Mudiba at the back with the two central midfielders, Jaden Mukwena. Then we had Ulontuzane, Umbata as well, and then on the sides we had Masego, Police, up front Renas. Beautiful lineup Ntwana ngukutshela ukuthi we were able to rotate the ball well.
Yeah.
But in the first half, there are moments where I felt the way we were playing, we're stretching them. Mbogazi has the ball. A police comes to collect from Mbogazi. You know, in that situation, what needs to happen, we need to play a bounce balls. When Mbogazi plays that ball in the half space for Mbogazi, for a police, we need one of the central midfielders, Tebza or Jaden, to come with Magal Bamba Lumfanalo. I'll bounce.
Yeah.
Once he bounces, because when he came, he opened the space. Bounce, Reyners makes that run. Well done. Yeah, so we had moments where a police holds the ball. He needs to look for Meleng Khalelebal. He ends up making in the first half. He made I think 2, or he lost the ball twice there in the midfield.
Yeah.
Which was very dangerous.
Yes.
Because of that, he has to hold the ball and he's small.
And now he's waiting for someone to come and support. Yeah.
So we need to play faster in those situations.
Yes.
Once he comes, in midfielder must come, Lana Vele, bounce the ball. We played for Reyners to come. Reyners was making beautiful runs.
Yeah.
He was holding the ball beautifully so we need to improve on that. Which when we play to these guys, because we are small in size, we need to always, you play where you are facing. Always, in any position, you play where you are facing, especially for the guys in size. Play where you are facing. Lala, bounce, we play the next ball. Because we don't have to hold the ball. Looking for pass. No,
not at that level.
Exactly.
Half a second.
Baba Naja easy ganja. We fall or we lose the ball. So we need to be careful of that one. That's my only concern with the boys. But in terms of how we rotated the ball, it was beautiful to watch, and I feel Gucci in certain instances when you get to the last third, Mudiba, they could have done better with the ball. When we get into the last third,
yes,
they could have done better with the ball, and also the supporting the midfielders and the guys joining in. Runs away could have been better.
Yeah.
The final ball for Ulontuzane Mudau can improve. He needs to improve on the final ball because we can't be working so hard to get into the last third and then the final ball is bad. You can't pick
Hakim because but to improve Umdawu as a player, we have to give it to him.
He has
improved. Manje sekayangena uyamthola eboxini kuphela njengo Hakim manje kwamanye ama instances asincedise kube ngathi I midfield. But you are right, we need to like for example futhi enye into nama cross masile lapha sidlala nabo mude Senyoni. And I saw a lot of times especially in cross, not all the time, but when they were crossing, they were bringing the cross up. There was no way Guti to win any aerial ball before Umahopa Angene. There was no way. So Amachita, they must know Guti. Amachita Mate. The only way Guti were frustrated, even if when you pass the ball, you pass it la. Angisho enula. So Mauza and then you protect the ball, you pass it la. Then it's very difficult for a big player or a tall player to get the ball. But many dlala phezulu vele niya hope ukuthi mhlawumbe bangenza mistake, but they were good. That's the only thing nje engiyibonile ukuthi azange sisheshe si identify good guys alidlutshani wire mamela alidlutshani wire but we can improve on that also.
Usakhuluma ngokuthi lidlutshani ntwana. Patience ntwana. Angithi shall rotate as we are building, we are busy progressing, we get into the last 10.
Yes,
we don't have to play cross valley. So as we are rotating, we pin them but allow Utebza utanyonyobe or Umbogazi utanyonyobe Once we're busy, we are looking to cut it back for him, lay it back, Sibambi Scoop one.
Yeah.
But other than that, in Ndwana, I feel that we played very well. We can improve. Last game, Ndwana is going to be very difficult.
Sure.
Very difficult.
It is a
Yeah.
Aleza tanga zibhizi leza sifakela nokushisa ngepace but kuzomela sibe emotional intelligent and we must pick our moments also because if sifuna ukugijimisana nabo bazosininkinga but sizoza kubo mdlalo ama substitution wa owafanda because abantu abaningi beba expect ukuthi mhlambe urelevel uzoqala negame as number 10 but I approach to I think uzongitshela mangirong njengomceceshi I think silande nge4-3-3 which was good.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, which was good because we had those wingers level eyenza ukuthi strength sethu sibe uyabona sibe sibonakale when we play. But what's your take ngama substitution? Mina I think okay first before uzongena I think mina Machita nawo adlalile urile yes udlalile but uyabona ukuthi level it's too high because normal bamba ne noma ufuna ukushala ama passes jwayele ngawo ukuthi normally ku PSL uyawathola
they are able to direct him
lapha bayam director bamise in a certain direction la angeke abahete khona but is a young man I think Amachita ngene second half nayo wona sesi I think ungenile wafaka leyo energy wafaka leyo krach lapha phambili and azange bayehlise intensity or tempo eyegame mabangena and I think that's what you want to see from players who comes from the bench.
Yeah, Ndwana, spot on. You bring in Usibilibili for Masego. Of whom Masego, I think we could have kept him in the game, Ndwana.
Yeah, even though Masego played well, yeah,
even though we introduced Ulona, but maybe they are thinking we don't have to be naive and put in attacking players only. But I think with that sub, keep in Umasego because he was coming, he had something because we needed that individual brilliance, and Umasego has that. That's how we got the penalty. You need a player like him, so bring in Usibilibili for because it's forceful and and we wanted to get the spaces behind them. So it was a good sub, but I would have taken out maybe one of the midfielders. Nishio one because the one people attack they did not pose a threat.
Yeah, you saw right.
Nishio one la pesi swing maybe Tebza or Yenumbata, but I would have taken out Umbata Mina. Nishiu Tebza la pesi swing because Tebza was working very hard. He was helping with defense as well. So bengo keep Umbata. Mfaka yonusibilibili. Asien matot.
And then goal ingene kanjani angibreakele down lela goal mdlalo.
Goal Ndwana
esil concede 5-7 minutes critical phase of the game. Critical phase of the game. Every coach I know ukuthi mabakora critical phase of the game uyakwata because they always preach to the players ukuthi guys the first 15 minutes, the last 15 minutes of first half, the first 15 minutes of second half and the last 15 minutes of second half you must be highly concentrated and we were sleeping there.
Ndwana Shama school errors laphi. Basic mistake it's a throw in we switched off.
Yeah,
we switched off.
Yeah.
And we don't do that. Number one, I'm sure they knew with these people are dangerous ngama.
No, they knew bala vele ngathi
so
thina sila
throw in why we switch off.
Yeah, and ngathi thina sila South Africa mara we knew with these guys they playing ngama long ball they are tall. Nabo bayazi exactly.
So this guy goes into an offside position. They throw the ball to him, but they throw in an offside Ndwana.
And you should know at that level.
You should know at that level. Throw in an offside, but Ulontuzana Okon tries to go and cover him.
But
when he goes,
why
do you allow him to bring that ball?
Because he look recover exactly. Yeah,
so he recovered. But how do you allow him to? So he should have, once he recovered, he should have made sure with it. Yes, or foul him or whatever, or keep it ball alapa. Number two, Umuda Ndwana, I feel he should have tequila lenti pume.
Yeah,
my mistake bebalele lapha organization structure said it was not proper because even with the midfielders as well ngoba libuya ngathi cut back la bola lezi maybe uTebza or Jaden or Umbatha one of them should have picked that one up.
Someone was supposed to be there because we have three Umbatha only one McMillan so we were sleeping
a series of errors.
Yeah,
that's how they considered and then Ndwana without that goal yini into futhi abayenzile labantu laba
icheki
yeah
abayenzanga for goal mfethu yeah nothing and then penalty yethu
beautiful penalty ntwana beautiful penalty from uTebza and his performance as well was superb for me. He worked very hard, attitude yakhe ntwana, he showed ukuthi why uTebza ngwana, why simthanda kangaka South Africa mfethu. Perfect performance, pressure game ntwana, pressure penalty uyazi ntwana, stadium sigcwele, country yonke, millions of South Africans are looking at you, they want you to score that one. Pressure, it's not that easy, but he was calm and he converted and he celebrated as a South African. So yeah, beautiful from South Africans and well done to the gents ntwana. I feel ukuthi
so that's a nice chance
we do ntwana, we still involved, we still in the game ntwana.
Yeah,
all we have to do is beat labantu laba bama China lama South Koreans.
Ubabona kanjani sesirapper vele nje bona nje ngoba vele sesibhekane nabo vele manje akusajiki vele sesibhekane nabo vele.
I think for
ngoba
us in this group
they are dynamic, speed, technique yakhona bra, they are just on another level. So do you think we can cope with ngalisa speed and ngale technique ngoba nyazi nathi we are highly technical, we are highly talented, we've got also individual brilliance which I don't think they have, but we bona kanjani quickly mdlala sesivala le ezayo sazoyihlafuna nayo angisho vele mama ngisikhathi sakhona.
It's going to be, I think that's one game ntwana ezoba difficult for us ukudlula the two games esizidlala. It's the most difficult game for us, and if we win that game we can go far in this tournament. But it's very tough, but everything ntwana iqala engqondweni is the attitude, is the belief.
And then
if we believe ntwana and we play our way like we play today. Our way. We don't have to play the European way. We play our way. The way we were rotating it's nice. Let's keep it that way. Let's play with them that way, because we'll never match them labantu laba. I will never match them.
Yeah.
So let's play in Intesiyaziyo the same way we play today. Singa changing, let's play our way.
Lastly, message yakho yafanda ku coach wethu Hugo Bros.
Ngizothi ku coach mina, coach, well done for today or for tonight. You made us some South Africans proud, and usibonisile ukuthi he showed us ukuthi why we are in the World Cup. We showed the world why we are in the World Cup, because we were doubted by many people or many countries. How did South Africa get into the World Cup with the display game in Mexico? But today, I'm sure many countries or the world knows who is South Africa. They've seen the type of football that we can play as a South Africa. And yes, well done to Matala. I can give him a message, allow us to play our way. That's the only way I can. Don't change any. Play the way you've been playing. Qualifiers or in the AFCON. Let's play that way. If we lose that way, it's okay. I don't think any South African can blame a coach if we play and lose.
Hi, Bafethu, that was Jabu Mahlangu and Tisgishandis. Please don't forget to share, like, hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Tisgishandis. Well done, Bafana. Yes, 1 point is better than nothing. Bafethu, we still have another 90 minutes against Korea. That's another opportunity, and with this performance we need to just up our game kancane for lababazayo, because they are much more quicker and they are much more like bazibhola kangcono kunalaba besidlala nabo namhlanje. But we believe in you Bafana. Yeah, and Bafethu vandag besila Palms Boksburg. You can come through. Igame iphelile but vibe imnandi. Ziyasha nathi sisayogawula manje namajita simingile sicoce sidla inyawo sishaya inyawo kancane. Yeah, sibe mnandi Bafethu. Danko Bafethu, thank you for keep on supporting us, and let's keep on supporting Bafana. Yes, we might not be happy about other decisions, but has been patriotic Bafethu. Phambili Bafana phambili.
Ungakhohlwa, don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
and hit that
notification bell.
Danko Bafethu.